guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, finally I'm doing this video. It's long overdue. I would say I am 1 month late with this video. So this video will be my 3-year anniversary / 36-month update, and it's actually going to be 36 and 37-month update altogether. So as you saw, probably if you follow me, if you watch my videos, I've done at least, well, I've done 3 videos plus my last update on my hair. We're pretty much, you know, around my 3-year anniversary. Not much has improved or changed since the last update, plus the 3 videos that I made to show my hair compared to my 6 weeks, my 1 year and my 2-year anniversary. If you're interested in a comparison for, I would say, fine hair, medium density, this is my hair at 3 years, and you can see my hair at 6 weeks when I just started. You can also see my hair at 1 year and 2 years. You can also watch my playlist on my many updates. I try to film monthly after my 2nd anniversary because I said in that video that usually after the 2nd anniversary on all my journeys, that's where things go downhill. But here I am at 3 years, and I can tell you I have survived my 2-year curse. I made it to 3 years and my hair looks amazing. Okay, so I am amazed with the growth, but I think the growth is totally normal. I don't think that it's anything like outstanding or, you know, something completely different.
Oof, my hair is on the mic. Let me move the mic. Let me put it right here. Okay, so sorry about that. I think my audio in the beginning is going to be bad.
Yeah, I don't think my hair, it's not anything, but I'm satisfied. I'm very happy with the way that my hair has evolved. I'm happy with how I was able to bounce back from a situation that I thought would cause a setback, but it didn't. I'm so happy. So just to give you a quick update, it's not going to be too long. I made it through 3 years. This is 3 years of hair growth for Sisterlocks. My hair started, I think I was right here in the beginning, but you guys can always look at my previous videos to see how my hair evolved. Starting at 6 weeks, I wasn't super prolific in the videos. I didn't film all the time, but I filmed occasionally enough so that you can see the evolution. I started filming more regularly after 18 months. I have my length check shirt footage just to show how my hair is doing lengthwise. I haven't watched it, so I don't even know what it looks like right now. So I'll be commenting on it probably when I edit the video, either in writing or as a voiceover. But this is what my hair is looking like at 3 years. 3 years. And if you want to see more of impressions of things that I've noticed, watch my other 2 videos because I don't remember everything that I said on those videos. But I'm noticing that my hair is more flat because my hair is fine. I'm not gonna have the big mane that I see a lot of girls have. I understand that. That's okay. That's okay. I'm okay with it. So far, it's not bad. I wouldn't say that it's so flat that I don't like it, even though I don't like when my hair is too flat. It's not too flat to me, so I still like it. What else can I say? I just want to say that I'm grateful and I'm still happy with my decision. My hair at 3 years is still the best thing I've done for my hair. I still think it's an expensive hairdo, but I'm happy to spend that money every month and a half or so for the freedom, for the look. I really love my Sisterlocks. I really love what I did, what I decided to do. I really love it, and I'm glad that my hair is in professional hands. I wouldn't have liked to do my hair myself, and I'm so glad I don't have to do the maintenance on my own. I do not have that talent, and I can admit when I can't do something right or good enough. Because I do my daughter's hair and I think it's fine, it's good enough, but I would not be able to fake it with locks, with micro locks or super tiny locks like these. I would not be able to fake it. So I'm glad that I'm glad that I decided to leave my hair to professionals. And the guilt that I felt about it in the beginning, because I had been doing my hair alone for so long, has completely it's left me completely. I feel great. I feel good about what I'm doing right now. I feel good about the fact that my hair is taken care of by somebody who knows what to do when they see whatever it is that needs to be done. So I'm leaving my hair completely in the hands of my consultant, and I am happy to do it. She is great. I'm still so happy that I found her. What are my goals? Well, I'm at armpit length right now. When my hair is wet, I'm past armpit length. So I'm at armpit length right now, and it's a great milestone for me because armpit length has been really hard to reach since the beginning of my journeys, which was in 2009. So guys, it's been over 10 years. I've been trying to grow my hair in any way I could. I started as a relaxed girl, and then I switched to natural, and still as a natural, I wasn't able to grow my hair. Right now, my hair is, I think it's longer than it's ever been. This is the longest I've ever been able to grow my hair. It's in locks, but for me, this is still my hair. It's still an achievement that I should be proud of, because whatever I've done with my life so far, with help or alone, are still achievement. So if you guys want to get a closer look, I have a fresh retie. My consultant retightened my hair last week. So I've been filming with fresh retie. So if you guys don't see me, like if you see a fresh retie, it's because like the videos are a month apart. If my hair is freshly retightened every time you see me, my videos are at least 1 month apart. So I have a fresh retie. So let's look at the grid. You'll see other footage with my length check shirt. I didn't spend too long in the bathroom doing that. I just took footage of my hair from the back. I hope it's nice, the footage. So what am I expecting for my 4-year anniversary? Well, I guess I'm expecting my hair to be just a little longer than now. So I think that next year, at my 4-year anniversary, my hair should reach here, where my hair is, with my hair, where my hands. But who knows? Who knows? Because since my hair is not completely locked, I still have hair, like locks that are like this. But the locks that are locking are shorter because it's like they fold. I'm trying to find one. Let's see. I can feel them because they are hard. Maybe this side. I'm trying to find one that's completely locked. This is ridiculous. Just when I need it. Look at this one. And that one's not even a good one. But this one is completely locked all the way to the end. I don't know if you can see that. There's no curly end really to speak of. And it's very like, it's hard. Like it's not like this one. The difference between the two. The two ends are completely different. I think you can see the little squiggly and how it's soft. I can feel it in my hand. It's soft, like it's moisturized hair versus like not moisturized. But it's not moisturized. It's just like this is so soft compared to that one. And so this one, you can see that it's shorter than another one. Let's see next to it. That is not locked yet completely. This one is locking, but it's not locked completely. So it's just a 1 inch or 2, depending on where it is. The unlocked hair is like an inch or 2 shorter than the locked hair. The unlocked is an inch or 2 longer than the locked hair. So I'm expecting that if my hair locks more, they might not move too much, like lengthwise. But if my hair stays like this and locks only a couple of locks a month, probably next year my hair will be like this long. That's what I'm expecting. We'll see. It's pretty fast when you think about it, but if you don't think about it, you don't even notice that your hair is long until you do something, like you make a video or you take pictures, and then all of a sudden you're like, oh my gosh, my hair is so much longer. So yeah, what else, you guys? If you have any questions, if you have any requests, I thought this year I would be doing different things, like showing how I do my hair, because I'll be going back to work and stuff. I'll see if I do different things with my hair. I'll see if I can share that. I am not very creative, and I am a simple gal. Even when I was natural, I didn't do much with my hair, even as a natural. It's even worse with my locks because they speak for themselves. You don't need to do anything and you're just looking the way you're looking, you know. My 3-year update is pretty much everything's smooth sailing right now. Everything's doing really well. My hair is thriving. Even the locks that I thought may not survive the 2nd year going into the 3rd, they're fine. They're fine. After the 2nd year, I thought that I was gonna start having difficulties and problems, and it didn't happen. Everything's so good. Everything is so amazing. I really don't have anything to say. 3-year anniversary, I would have to say definitely, if people are clicking on my videos because they're not sure what they're doing, they're not sure what they want to do, I would definitely say yes, go and get yourself some Sisterlocks. It's a great idea. The locks are very popular right now. So micro locks and Sisterlocks, to me, micro locks and Sisterlocks are in the same category. So if you are interested in tiny locks, get Sisterlocks, get micro locks, whatever you feel like would be the best for you, do it. It's a great idea. Sisterlocks are my most successful journey so far. I'm really happy I was able to find something that would be good for me, good for my hair. I definitely did hope that it would be natural hair. I hope that my hair would have thrived as a natural. I'm not really sure why it didn't work out, but I'm really happy. And I mean, when I say natural, I say that a lot in my videos, but when I say natural, I mean loose natural, because we're talking about hair, the way that your hair is and how you style it. So Sisterlocks are natural hair, but they're Sisterlocks, you know what I mean? But yeah, so for people who have been correcting me, I understand. I always do that. But when I say natural, I mean loose natural. Because my videos are conversations. If you come on my channel, watch my videos, please, while you're watching, leave comments, send out questions. But I'm happy. And how about that Will Smith slapping Chris Rock? All right, guys, this was just a quick video to say everything's great. My hair's doing great. 3 years anniversary. I did it. I made it. I definitely made it. I'm so happy. I feel so blessed, and I want to thank God. And thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Hopefully I make more videos. Hopefully I don't feel too overwhelmed with life and I can sit down and create. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.